Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie. In this video, I am going to create this cut crease eye makeup. I am going to fill in my eyebrows first. Next, I am creating a base for my eyeshadow. I am going to use this eyeshadow first. Blending the color with a clean brush. I'm applying more eyeshadow as the color faded in blending. Next, I'm using this eyeshadow to blend any harsh lines. Next, I am going to cut the crease. I am applying Pigment Rose by MAC. Darkening the edges of the crease. Next, I am applying a liquid liner. I am using this black eyeshadow on an angular brush. Reapplying the liner to make it darker. I'm applying kohl only on the inner corner and outer corner of my eyes. Next, I'm cleaning the edges. I'm using this eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone as well as inner corners. Next, I'm using this eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I'm applying 2 coats of mascara. Next, I'm finishing the rest of my makeup. So that's it guys, this is the finished look. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.